Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shruti Opines. So guys, from this video onwards, I'm going to start a pronunciation series. Yes, pronunciation series for 6 days. So from this video onwards, till the 6th day, yes, till the 6th day, I'm going to upload one video each day. So there will be the pronunciation videos for the 6 days continuously. So I'm going to upload this video on Monday. So from Monday to Saturday, you will find my video at 5 p.m. daily, and those videos are going to be related to your pronunciation part, because this is what I feel. Being a non-native speaker of English, pronunciation has always been a struggle, and we need to sort it out. We need to work over our pronunciation, because your pronunciation is going to affect your accent. So if you are going to pronounce the words correctly, so definitely you are going to sound more natural and effective. So it's our responsibility, being an English language learner, we should practice, we should work over our pronunciation. So I hope this series is going to help you out in the matter of pronunciation, and definitely you are going to learn a lot about the pronunciation of the commonly mispronounced words. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you all correct pronunciation of 30 commonly mispronounced words, and I try my best to complete this video within 5 or 7 minutes. I try my best. I cannot promise you, but I try my best that I will save your time for this video, and I'll save my time also, because I need to create another 5 videos for you, right? So I'll try to complete this video within 7 minutes. I try my best. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And point to be noted, I have taken only British pronunciation. So please, only British pronunciation. So let's get started with the first word, and the first word is this. It's not comfortable, it's comfortable. Comfortable. It's not table, it's table. Comfortable. Comfortable. Next word is this. Again, a commonly mispronounced word. We pronounce this word as sour, but it's not sour, it's sour. 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 Next word is this. Again, this is not pronunciation, it's pronunciation. Pronunciation. Repeat after me. Pronunciation. Next word is this. And if you want to improve your pronunciation, repeat each and every pronunciation after me. Okay? So the next word is this. Yes, it's not tortoise. We have learned this word like this only. Okay, in our childhood we have learned this word that it's tortoise, but it is not tortoise, guys. It's tortoise. 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 Yes. And the next word is this. In this word, R is silent. So it's not courteous, it's courteous. 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 Repeat after me. Courteous. Next word is this. So again, in this word, the first letter is O. So we pronounce this word as objective, but it's not objective, it's objective. Objective. Okay, the first sound is objective. Objective. So it's not objective, it's objective. Next word is this. It's not introduction, it's not intro, it's introduction. Introduction. Repeat after me. Introduction. Introduction. Similarly, next word. In this word, R again is silent. We do not say forget. Forget. We do not say like this. We say, the correct pronunciation of this word is forget. 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 Okay. R is silent. So it's forget. Forget. And the next word is this. It's chaos. 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 Okay. So the next word is this. Yes, we have been pronouncing this word as hereditary. Hereditary, right? But the correct pronunciation is hereditary. Hereditary. Yes, it's not hereditary, it's hereditary. Hereditary. And the next word is this. Yes, it's not vegetable, it's not vegetable, it's vegetable. 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 And the next word is this. It's not breakfast, it's breakfast. 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 And the next word is this. Again, people pronounce this word as women. Women. V sound is not there, W sound is there. So we pronounce it women. 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 Okay, repeat after me. Women. Next word is this. It's not ox. Means people take a sound first and they pronounce S sound later. Okay, it's not ox, it's ask. 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 So your next word is this. Yes, it's not eki, okay, or ak whatsoever. It is ache. Ache, like how we pronounce number 1 in Hindi. This is the way you can pronounce this word. It's ache, ache. So the next word is this. So there are two things that we need to remember here. So it's not archive, okay. This ch doesn't have ch sound. It has k sound. Another point, r is silent. So how you are going to pronounce this? Archive, archive, archive. So it's not archive, it's archive. Next is this word. This is not orchard, it's orchard, orchard. So how we say aw like this. So it's orchard, orchard. The next word is this. Yes, again the most commonly mispronounced word. So the correct pronunciation of this word is squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. So repeat after me, squirrel. This is your next word. And the correct pronunciation of this word is acquaintance, 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 tins, acquaintance. Repeat after me, acquaintance. So the next word is this. And the correct pronunciation of this word is available, available. It's not available, it's available, available. Next is this word. You must have heard this word in your grammar portion. It's auxiliary, auxiliary. It's not auxiliary, it's auxiliary, auxiliary. Auxiliary verb you must have heard, right? So it's auxiliary. So the next word is this. Again, it's a struggle to pronounce this word, right? For non-native speakers of English particularly. And this word is pronounced as thesaurus, thesaurus. It's not thesaurus, it's thesaurus, thesaurus. Repeat after me, thesaurus. And the next word is this. Yes. So we used to pronounce this word as etc, right? Like I used to pronounce this word etc in my school time, okay? But later on I have learned when I moved to college, so I have learned that this word is pronounced as etc, etc. So there is no g or z sound, there is t sound, okay? So it's etc, etc, okay? So repeat after me, etc. So the next word is this. Yes, it's not beauty, it's berry, berry. The way we pronounce this word berry, the berry we eat, similarly this word is also pronounced, so it is berry, berry. It's not beauty or berry, it's berry. So the next word is this. And yes, you will be highly surprised to know this pronunciation. So how we used to pronounce this word, gorgeous, okay? But here R is silent, so it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What a gorgeous lady. So it's not gorgeous, it's gorgeous, gorgeous. So the next word is this. Again, the most commonly mispronounced word. So this is not poem, it's poem, poem, poem. So the next word is this. Again, this word must have given you a tough time to pronounce it, right? So the correct pronunciation of this word, exaggerate, exaggerate, exaggerate. Next word is this. Again, this word also must have given you a tough time to pronounce it. And the correct pronunciation of this word is psychiatrist, psychiatrist. Repeat after me, psychiatrist, psychiatrist. Next word is this. And I know you must be pronouncing this word as Twitter, Twitter, right? But here R is silent again. So you will pronounce this word as Twitter, Twitter, Twitter. Only Twitter, 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 Twitter. Okay? And the last word is this. It's not mountain, it's mountain, mountain, mountain. Okay, so it's mountain. So that's it for today, guys. So I hope that you must have learned the 30 correct pronunciation of these words. Do let me know in the comment section below any other word that you would like to have on this channel, me to take as a challenge to pronounce those words. Do let me in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.